Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to my channel. Do you ever want something for breakfast and you don't know what you want? Something that's fast that you've prepared ahead of time? Well, hey, I'm going to solve that problem for you. Have you ever heard of chia seed pudding? I hadn't until a couple of weeks ago. We are doing a low-carb diet and I discovered it by accident, so I'm going to share it. Where we're a homestead, I use a jar for almost everything to mix, to store my leftovers in the refrigerator. You take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. These are black. There's also white. It doesn't matter what color. A tablespoon of the monkfruit sweetener, which incidentally is the best artificial sweetener I've ever used. It doesn't have any side effects like the aspartame and give me a migraine. So that's always a good thing for me. And a cup of almond milk. Just put it in the jar. Stir it up. Don't need to put my sweetener lid on that, do I? Put the lid on it. We'll put it in the refrigerator. And I just so happen to have one right here, prepared to show you. Stir it up. Oh, incidentally, on the other one, after about 30 or 40 minutes, stir it, and then a few minutes later stir it again just to make sure we don't have the clumps. But this is what it looks like. It actually tastes pretty good. It's sweet. You can also put a tablespoon and a half of cocoa powder in there to make it chocolate. But what I like to do is get a handful of blueberries, put them in there, stir it up, and you've got some really good antioxidants to add to your breakfast. That's really good.